Good day, coaching officers and logisticians. Welcome to Nigeria's e-LMIS platform. Once again, you're about to navigate and understand how to select an adjustment reason in the stock management. Shall we begin? Select stock management, then select adjustments. At this point of your screen, you need to be aware of the program that you're about to use to make a transaction. There are different programs, so be careful to select the exact program you're about to make an adjustment for. For example, I'll be using the routine immunization program RI to make an adjustment. So you select the action, make adjustments. Now that your page has loaded, do ensure that you have the product and the exact batch number that you're about to work with. Select the product. I have hepatitis B and I have the batch number 0332L. Once you have included this, add. Let's do this again. I have another product, Penta, and I have a batch number for FWM to add. What I'm about to show you are the two different types of reasons. There is the debit reason and there is the credit reason. The debit reason means you're about to reduce your stock balance, that is, your stock on hand in the open MIS to its actual stock. While the credit reason means you're about to increase your stock balance, which is the stock on hand, to its actual stock. Do note that you have to take note of the date you're about to make this adjustment for and ensure that it's the actual date for the adjustment. I'll be making a debit and a credit transaction for your understanding. Let's start with hepatitis. I have 6,000 doses in my stock on hand. However, what I do have physically is 7,000 doses. To do this, select an option for reason and select a credit reason. For instance, what actually happened to me in my cold store was I received an excess of 1,000 doses, but had made other transactions using the same quantities. To balance my records, it means I need to update it with the receipt of a credit, and I will input 1,000 doses, which is the excess. Then I will select a VVM status. Let's work with Penta. My Penta has 22,700 doses. I noticed that physically I only have 22,500 doses and not 22,700 doses. So it means I must have made an error somewhere. That means I have a difference of 200 doses. What I will do next is to come to the reason and select a debit reason. And under issue debit, I will input a validation of 200 doses, which are the number of doses that I do not have. I'll select the reason, select the VVM status, I will select the VVM status, and to conclude this, you submit. Do well to click confirm that my submissions was successful. Let's validate what we have just done. Automatically, the system will bring out your stock on hand page for all your antigens and products. Let's search for the products that we had made a transaction for. You can filter and input the product name or the product code. For instance, it was Penta, and the name was Penta LG Serum. I could easily search. Yes, today is the 27th of August 2024, and as you can see, my transaction for this particular batch number is showcased. The adjustment for 200 doses was successful, and my stock on hand is now balanced. You could either print to keep this for record purposes or note that the system has been updated. You could also try this again for your credit reason and it will apply just the same. Thank you for watching and I hope this was helpful.